Okay, today we'll be reviewing the tool called WordPress Theme Detector. So today we'll be seeing what WordPress Theme Detector is and how it's important. So today we'll be going through this presentation. We'll be saying what is WordPress, what and why WordPress Theme Detector, how to access the tool, how to use the tool, our result and our conclusion. So we start from WordPress. So WordPress, as we all know, is a web content management system, and it was originally created as a tool to publish blogs, but evolved to support publishing other web contents, including more traditional websites, mailing lists, and internet forums. So what this means that today WordPress has exceeded just ordinary creating of blogs, posts, and design of websites. Today it has transited to building online stores, membership sites, forums, and learning management system. In general, we call it content management system. So if you are planning to build your website, majority of websites we see online are all WordPress. Okay, so as a developer, you may be like, okay, why am I using this tool? Okay, and the reason why you are using this tool is that as a developer, there are some websites that you see online, and they are very attractive to you, and you want to replicate what you see there. They are doing well online, and you may be asking the questions of what kind of platform, what kind of framework do they use to design this website. So to enable you to better understand it and know the recommended framework to use for your client or for yourself if you're a business owner. So it is very important to actually use this tool called WordPress Detector tool to actually know if this is a WordPress website. Secondly, you can as well use this tool to actually know the themes, the plugins, if actually happens to be a WordPress website that you the company is using, or they created their platform on, they launch it on WordPress. You happen to know the theme, you happen to know the plugins used in the process. This will enable you to spy on the company and get exactly what you are looking for. So the next action for us is how to access this tool. Okay, the first thing is to go to a site called Uburubot.com, as you can see here. So what we do is to go to our web browser and type Uburubot.com. As you can see, this is the address. So the second thing we do after we have gone to the website is to search for the tool. So you go to this particular box and type WordPress Theme Detector. Okay, say WordPress Theme Detector. So you can see this one. Select the second one. Okay, the next thing is to paste your website URL or the website you want to spy on, the places that you want to get feedback on the framework they use. So example, I want to go to internet and search for some website called WP Beginner. Is a very popular website that talks about WordPress. So as you can see, it's a very popular website. So this is the URL. So what we do is to copy the URL. Okay, so copy it, or we can even open it and copy it from here. Okay, copy this URL. Like we said, you paste it on this particular box. Okay, once you paste it, as you can see, just this format. Okay, and you click on where they say get info. You understand? So this is the work of this tool. So when you say get info, it will search for the detail of the website. As you can see, this website was created with what we call Genesis framework. Please disclaimer, we are not trying to do anything bad. We are only giving you this information because we know that you will need it. So now apart from Genesis framework, they also give you a link to download this particular theme as well, but we'll not be going further to it. But let's click on it. We can see what we mean by Genesis framework. Okay, So as you can see it takes you to Genesis framework where you can get the theme and do a lot of things. Actually, this framework I've tried it and it's very fast when it comes to SEO, and this helped me to build a particular platform that I'm using. And as you can see, the author of the theme is Studio Press. So inside our detection to have found 4 plugins. So the first plugins that we found is what we call WP Rocket. The second plugin we call AIO SEO. This particular plugins happens to be the plugin owned by the design company called WP Beginner. Okay. The third one is called Monster Light, also owned by them. Even the WP Rocket is also owned by them, and Optim Monster. Okay, these are the 4 plugins that they could be able to detect. So imagine that you are creating a WordPress website and you have these 4 plugins. This is for SEO optimization of your website. This is for analytics, checking your email subscribers, how your sale is doing, how your website is doing. This is inside. It has a lot of tools. This is a monster for Google Analytics dashboard. This is a WP Rocket, a powerful solution to boost your loading time, improve your page speed, and optimize your core web vitals. So you can see that these 4 plugins are very powerful. So this gives you a detail of actually what is going on at the background, showing you that website that is very beautiful. Look at it. Is designed with WordPress. Who will believe that this website was designed by WordPress? So this actually helps you to know if it was designed by WordPress. As you can see, this whole thing was designed by WordPress, meaning that whatsoever that was done here, you can do it yourself. So this is what the tool does. Going back to where we came from, now we have completed the steps, and we thank you for being with us. Only thing we ask of you is to subscribe, okay? And that is it. Thank you so much for coming by, and do have a wonderful day.